Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Boditech Ichroma Microalbumin test kit. You can see this here. This is a 25 test kit box. You can see it reads Ichroma Microalbumin. Okay, the intended use is Ichroma Microalbumin is a fluorescent immunoassay for the quantitative determination of microalbumin in human urine. It is useful as an aid in management and monitoring of determination of kidney damage from diabetes. If you look at this box, contains 25 cartridges, 25 detector tubes, one ID chip, one IFU brochure, and 25 detector diluent packed in a separate box. And this is that box. You can see that the diluent is packed in a separate box due to the temperature control need. You can see this here. I'll keep this here for now. And further, if you look at this is a CIVD certified product, and you can see the reference part number is Ichroma MEU-25. You can see the lot number and also the manufacturing date and expiry date. Just show it on the box. You can see the manufacturing from Boditech. Okay, this is the box looks like. I'm going to open this box for you. Okay, here you go. You can see the inside the box. You get one IFU brochure. You can see this brochure. Let me open this for you. Okay, here you go. You can see it says Boditech Ichroma Microalbumin. You can see the intended use. You have the complete information like intended use, or the principle to be used, the warnings and the key components, and you can see limitation of the test, how to prepare your samples, sample collection and test setup, test procedure, and you can see the interpretation of test results and the quality control requirements. So this is, you get the complete details to complete your test. So you have the clear IFE brochure here, and further if you see the inside the box there is another pack. This pack says microalbumin detector tubes. You have the 25 pieces of detector tubes inside. You can see the same lot number and also the expiry period. So this is how it looks like. You can see this here. I'm keeping it here. I'll show you closely. You can see Ichroma Microalbumin detector tube. You got it. And further inside you can see there is one ID chip with the same lot number, and it says microalbumin. And yeah, there are 25 cartridges. Let's pull out two for you. Let's keep this here. I kept two cartridges here. You can see it says Ichroma Microalbumin and the lot number is mentioned here. CIVD marking is here, and also the expiry period is given. The back side you can see the certification body is mentioned. So this is the 25 cartridges. And further let's get inside this detector tube, Ichroma Microalbumin detector diluent. This is a 25 detector diluent is inside. This is also certified, and you can see the temperatures between 2 to 30. You can see this made in Korea, the lot number, manufacturing date and expiry date is here. So let me open this. This detector diluent. Okay, I can show you around this. You can see this here. You can see the 25 pieces of the diluent. Detector diluent is here, 25 pieces. I'm just going to take one for you. You can see this here. You can see the liquid inside. Putting it back. Putting it back. So you can see today we've seen the unboxing of Boditech Ichroma Microalbumin test kit. This is the 25 test kit box. In the 25 test kit box you get one IFU brochure and 25 detector tubes and 25 cartridges, one ID chip and 25 detector diluent. This is how the total test kits looks like. Let me close through it. You can see this here. Here you go. this is what the total discus looks like. Thank you.